Hello, welcome to the next tutorial. So now we are going to start a new project. This is tutorial 2 and I am Krishna Raghavendran. So now we will learn how to move this character and then how to make this character fly, jump, explode. So now let us start. So first we are going to make this character move. So for that we need to write my project dot character dot move and then in the brackets put x. So you need to put the x value here, the number of steps you need this to move. If you put y, then it will go up. If you put x, then it will go right or left. So now I'm going to put 20 steps. You see that it moved. Now let us put y. For y, I will put 20 steps. You see that it moved a little bit. So you can make a character move like this. So next we will learn how to use the character functions. So I put a fresh new project. So let us change the title to character functions. So my project dot title equals to whatever title you want. So I will put character functions. Yeah. So now let us see if it is working. You can see it changed to character functions. Now first we will learn how to make this character move. Fly up, down, this side and the left. So now let us start. So for that you need to put my project dot character dot fly and then brackets. Now let us see if it is flying. Inside this brackets you need to put top or bottom or right or left. So I will put top. After that we will wait 1 second and then put bottom. And then we will put right and left. Now let us see if it is working. It should go top, bottom, right and then left. So let me start. Now it is going top, bottom, right and left. Yeah. So if you want to make this repeat, we learned in the earlier video that we need to put the repeat function here and also put a wait here. So now we will learn how to make a character explode. For that we should put, we don't need all this and we also don't need this wait. We are going to put my project dot character. Instead of this fly, we will put explode. Now let us see if it is working. He just exploded and now he is no longer there. So if you want him to come again, you can put at the starting my project dot character dot visible equals to true, and then we can wait for 2 seconds and then the character will explode. So now let's see. The character came 1, 2, exploded. Now let us try some other. Now we will learn how to put hop. So now the character is visible, 2 seconds and then hop. Now let us put jump. He jumped. So you can put anything you want. We have jump, explode and hop and then fly. So these are the character functions. So now I'm going to put explode and then if you need an exploding sound, you can also add that. So for that you need to put my project dot play to play a sound that is called explode. Sorry, explode. Yeah. So now we have many sounds. I'll show you. Let's go to learn and here you can see the different sounds. Rain, explode, birds, roar, alien and neon. So now let us play the sound. You see that he exploded and the sound also came. Yeah. So now we can add many other sounds. I'm going to put rain. We don't need this explosion and no need this wait. And now I put rain and let's see if it is working. Did you hear that? The rain sound came and now it is put roar. Now let us put meow. Now let's put an alien sound because here you can see an alien. So now in this video we learned how to play sounds, how to move, how to make the character functions like jump, explode, hop, fly and everything. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.